Welcome, dear audience. Today we have a very special program. We're going to learn a little more about the man who has made history and the world of football.
Can't read from we're talking about a man who achieved great success. He has also inspired millions of people with his life story. His name is Lionel Messi.
Exactly. Lionel Messi was born in Rosario, Argentina, on June 24, 1987. From childhood, he was passionate about football and showed great talent, joining a club at the age of 4.
Incredible. On the other hand, at the age of 10, he has diagnosed with a growth hormone deficiency. However, his family emigrated to Spain and FC Barcelona covered his medical expenses and integrated him into their youth academy La Masia.
His official debut for Barcelona came in 2004 at just 70 years old. Furthermore, the were almost 2 decades with the club. Messi achieved a history record of 30 time titles, scored 672 goals, and won 6 Ballon d'Or awards. He established himself as the all-time leading scores assists probably bear and Baylor with the most appearances.
On the other hand, he has earned enormous sums of money, up to $138 million per season. He is also sought after by many sport brands for commercials. He is unbeatable in his demand.
That's right, Enilson. But his greatest achievement is winning the 2022 Qatar World Cup with his country, Argentina. He has also earned the respect of in the entire world for his character, his humility, and for never winning up. Until next time, Enilson. Goodbye.
Goodbye from